Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Supabase to Antigravity. First, go to the Supabase dashboard, click New Project, and set the project name, database password, and region, then wait for the database to initialize. Next, get the API keys. Inside Supabase, go to Settings and open the API section, then copy the project URL, the anon key, and the service role key, making sure to keep the service role key secret. Now, in Antigravity, open your project or workspace and go to Integrations or Data Sources. Then, connect to Supabase by adding a new database connection. Set the provider as Supabase, paste the project URL, and enter the API key using the anon key or the service key for backend use. Then click Connect. After that, enable database access. In Supabase, go to the table editor, create or select tables, and enable row-level security if needed. You can create tables like users, tasks, or messages. Finally, test the connection from Antigravity by running a test query, fetching table data, and inserting a sample row to confirm everything is working properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.